If you're worried about your credit score, there's one thing you need to do right now: order your credit report. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including information about your credit accounts, loans, and payment history. It's important to keep an eye on your credit report because it can affect your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even rent an apartment. So, if you haven't already, make sure to order your credit report as soon as possible. But how do you order your credit report? It's actually really easy. You can order a copy of your credit report online, by phone, or by mail. To order online, visit the website of one of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. From there, you'll need to give some personal information, like your name, address, and social security number, to prove who you are. Once you've completed the process, you'll be able to view your credit report online or download a copy. If you'd prefer to order your credit report by phone or mail, you can do that too. Just give one of the credit bureaus a call or send them a letter with your request. Make sure to include your name, address, and social security number, as well as any other personal information they may need to verify your identity. It's also a good idea to include your payment information if you're ordering a copy of your credit report for a fee. In addition to ordering your credit reports from the websites, over the phone, or by mail, you can quickly and easily download the apps from either Google Play or the Apple App Store from the credit bureaus to get instant access to your credit report and score. With these apps, you can also connect your bills to your credit report, which can give you an instant boost to your credit score. Credit Karma is another great app to think about. Credit Karma is a popular and widely used app that provides users with access to their credit report and FICO score. The app also offers personalized recommendations for financial products such as credit cards and loans based on the user's credit score and credit history. One of the standout features of Credit Karma is that it provides users with free access to their credit report and score on a regular basis, allowing them to track their credit over time and make informed decisions about their financial health. In addition to providing access to credit information, Credit Karma also offers tools and resources to help users improve their credit, such as Credit Score Simulator, Credit Report Card, and alerts for credit inquiries and changes to credit accounts. Overall, Credit Karma is a valuable resource for anyone looking to manage and improve their credit. So, don't wait any longer. Order your credit report today and take control of your credit. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving and managing your credit. Thanks for watching.